Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to turn on our notifications icons in Samsung Galaxy S22. To show our notifications icons at the top of the screen, we have to go to Settings first. Then in Notifications menu we have Advanced Settings. When we go here, we have at the top Show Notifications Icons. Right now we have none. We can enable all notifications, 3 most recent, and only a number of notifications. It's a handy little indicator. Let's leave it at all notifications. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.